Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by choosing a provider that allows sign-up without mandatory SMS verification. Pick two options in case one prompts a phone. Open a fresh private window and clear cookies so prior sessions don't interfere. Prepare a recovery email address and a strong, unique password. This reduces risk and satisfies many providers' alternate verification. Once done, register with accurate basic info, enable recovery email, and verify that account creation completes before moving to the next step. Now you expand. Use plus addressing or aliases so one inbox handles multiple identities. This gives separation while keeping control. Set up forwarding rules and folders to keep each identity organized because deliverability and management matter. If you need many addresses, register across multiple respected providers rather than relying on one service. That reduces throttling and verification pressure. For long-term use, buying a custom domain with a catch-all mailbox gives you full control and avoids repeated provider checks. Make sure to finish by hardening accounts. Enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app or recovery email where phones aren't required. This protects you without phone reliance. Store all credentials in a password manager and maintain a secure recovery list so you don't lose access. If a sign-up is blocked, don't chase evasive hacks. Try a different reputable provider, clear cache, or use a clean device and network. One key troubleshooting tip. If verification stalls, check spam folders and retry with a different recovery email or provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.